Hey guys, so today I am going to be putting a few containers together. I am going to be using things that I started from seed, like this gorgeous bunny tails grass. And I also have this ornamental mint that I started from seed. And other things I have sort of, these three were left over from some other containers that I did. So I think these three do look well together. But I'm also really excited about these coffee cups elephant ears. I did not start this from the corn. I actually just bought this already like this. So this one is actually going to be going in this container. And I am going to use the ornamental mint to sort of cover the bottom of it. I never dealt with elephant ears before in my garden. I actually have another one in one of my flower beds that I showed you in the last video that I did. That one is huge. This one is somewhat smaller, and I just love the shades of the leaves. They're just so nice and petite. So I think that that one is going to do well together. And then I also have one more container that I just couldn't fit on the table. So let me show you how everything is going to work together, and maybe I'll talk about the flowers or what I have here going on, and then I'll show you the end result. So this thing, it might look weird, but this is a two-piece thing. I found this last year on the Facebook Marketplace. I actually, this is not a planter. This is a, I believe it's like a cooler, like you put ice in here and then you put drinks. And I guess you can use this for outdoor, for drinks. But when I saw it being sold, I thought, make holes on that thing, you have a beautiful planter. So last year I used it and it worked great. It was beautiful. This year I gave it a little bit of paint because, you know, it was outside for the winter and it got really sun damage, I think. It was just really flat. So I painted it black. And I'm going to reuse it again. So I am going to be using this for all of my cosmos, or I should say for all of my chocolate cosmos that I'll show you in a minute. So these chocolate cosmos that I have here, this right here, I started from seed. They were very expensive seeds. I actually pay, I believe, like $4 for 5 seeds. They were really hard to find, but I'm glad that I got some seeds. I got 100% germination on all of the packages, so I'm happy about that. And also, my nice friend from Florida, Mila, she sent me I guess you can call them tubers or corms. I'm not really sure what the right term here is, but these are basically like the root part of the plant, and I put them in pots, and you can see like this one is nicely coming together, but this other one is just, wow, it's just shooting straight up. And as you can tell, these cosmos have like a different type of leaves. The cosmos that I'm normally used to, the leaves look like this. These are the leaves that I'm used to seeing when I think of cosmos, but these are definitely different. And I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm just excited that I was able to get seeds. So I am going to put all of them here. Yes, I might be doing some overkill here, but I just want to go thick and heavy with these ones. Okay, well, we'll give this one a try. This is why you never handle the seedlings by the stems when you're taking it out of the containers, because you might leave the roots in there. We'll give it a chance. One more container. I don't think that I can fit this one here. One more container and we are done with this video. I think this might be too high. Another basket here. So this basket is basically a combination of two baskets. I got this basket at home, the store. This basket is actually plastic material. So even though it is plastic, I am going to protect it from the soil, mainly because the soil that I put here can come through here. And this is what I do with every basket that I have. I get a basket and then I get a plastic container from any of the ones that I have, say, in my garage, to make sure that it fits nicely, and that's what is going to be inside. This is what I do for every single basket that I have outside, unless the basket is like really, really thick, but still, I still like to use this plastic container. So here, what I'm going to use it for are my Strawflowers that I started from seed. And these guys are struggling, you guys. See how it is? They need water. I have three types. I have a tall double mix, I have a white, and I have a scarlet. And I know that they're struggling. They need to be somewhere bigger, because look at the roots. See the roots? They are definitely needed. They definitely need more space. So these three plants right here will go in this container, and then I'll show you the end result. And then the fertilizer that I'm using is just this regular slow release fertilizer. I'm not picky about what to use with annuals, basically whatever is available at the stores. Okay, because I know that you guys are going to be asking, where do you get your containers? Let me explain. This one I got from the Facebook Marketplace. Obviously, you're gonna have to find your own. You can spray paint it any color that you want if you find one. That's what I did this year, and I almost got rid of this one because I didn't like how it looked like, but a little bit of spray paint goes a long way. This guy right here, the basket I got from the store, so hot, from a store called At Home, and they have tons of stuff, not necessarily for gardening, but a lot of home decor. Whoa, that bird. So I found that out there as well. These two right here, these identical ones, I found at Meijer. They are not the real thing, but they look like the real thing. I think these are like some sort of plastic. I love the texture. And this guy right here, where I put the elephant ear, I got that one from Home Depot. I just enjoy the textures. If you see all of the baskets here, I am into textures, starting with the container, you know, ending with the flowers, and I enjoy that. I'm glad that I was able to show you this video about how I do my containers. It's not that complicated, you guys. Just put 2 or 3 plants together, even just one plant does the job. I am loving just single plants in containers this year for some reason, and I'm really hoping that my my mint does well here. So we'll see. A lot of these plants actually, a lot of these plants here that I have in these containers are new for me this year. So I am excited to see how they do, and I am going to be just, you know, playing here in the garden, trying to find homes for these guys. I do have a couple of options where I'm going to put them, but that's the fun of it as well. Thank you for being here, you guys, and until the next video.